Hank, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about her boobs and her butts and her vaginas, but I don't know what to do with any of them.
Okay, you know, you take your things, you know.
You shake hands?
What? Oh, God.
I'm sorry, we don't have to talk about it.
You take your special compass and you put it in her special part and move it around, and that's called sex.
That way. Nothing's happening, Hank. I think I'm broken.
That's okay. Sometimes when you do something too many times, it has less of an effect. It's like the law of diminishing returns. It happens to everyone. This is why there are so many fetishes out there.
Fetishes?
That's, you see, everybody has their own special tastes. In fact, some people have a fetish that involves somebody like you, but I don't approve of that. I wouldn't let anybody take advantage of you, buddy.
I do want to have sex, though.
Yeah, well, some people who live in small parts of the world, they take their chickens and they make them cluck. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, they make them cluck.
I mean, some people like to put Tabasco sauce on people's toes and lick it off, and some people like anal play. Some people like to be hung up on a web like a spider and whipped. Some people like to be kicked right in their you know what.
Remember when you put that cork in my butt?
Yeah.
Did that count as sex?
And you know.
I want to have sex.